वेलकम टू माय चैनल KCK एजुकेशन। आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे चैनल पर। इस मौसम में आप सब स्वस्थ होंगे और मस्त होंगे। तो आज हम दिखाने वाले हैं आपको हमारे स्कूल में हुई है जो एग्जीबिशन, उसके बारे में। जो साइंस एग्जीबिशन हुई है उसके बारे में कि हमारे स्टूडेंट ने कैसे पार्टिसिपेट किया, देन आफ्टर उनकी तरह तरह की यूनिक एक्टिविटीज़। तो चलिए आज हम आपको साइंस एग्जीबिशन का दौरा करवाते हैं। तो बी होप पॉजिटिव। चलिए हमारे साथ हम सब मिलके आज हम साइंस एग्जीबिशन देखते हैं। ओके।
Saharan, President of SED, Mr. Rajesh Verma ji, Executive Member of SED, Mr. Virendra Singh Fogart, Director of SED, and GP Tawar, the Principal of SED. We are welcoming you here, sir, in today's exhibition. आज की एग्जीबिशन में बच्चों ने जो अपनी अपनी साइंस की प्रस्तुतियाँ आपके सामने की हैं, उसमें आपका बहुत बहुत हार्दिक स्वागत है, अभिनंदन है। हमारे आज के मुख्य अतिथि रिबन कार्ड पर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ हरियाणा, I again request our chairman sir to present book.
The help of carbon rod, the carbon compound are vacuum and the fresh air is blown out with the help of it. Industrial supply and vegetable. It also decreases the presence of flooding and control. And our today's topic is a part of respiratory system, which is lungs. Lungs are very important part of our body. They have been used as well as in respiration. Respiration is a biological process. Here is our part. Human anatomy consists of different systems like circulatory system. Circulatory system consists of heart and the blood vessels. There are three different types of blood vessels like arteries. Arteries transport oxygenated blood. They are shown in blue color. After that, there are veins. Veins transport deoxygenated blood. They are shown in red color. After that, I am showing you the musculatory system. Musculatory system consists of muscles. They help in movement and the coordination. After that, this is rib cage. Rib cage is a part of skeletal system. They help in protecting our lungs and the heart. After that, this is our lungs. Lungs are of two different types. They help in inhaling and exhaling the air. Inhaling and exhaling the air. There are two different types of lungs, right and left lung. After that, this is our urinary system. Urinary systems, kidney help to refine the urine. Urine passes through the ureters in the urinary bladder. After that, it passes through the body through the urethra. After that, this is our digestive system. Digestive system starts from the mouth. The food transports as the ink passes through the pipe. The main organs of our digestive system are as follows. They are stomach, large intestine, rectum, small intestine. They help in the digestion of the food. Thank you for time and attention, sir. We are here representing our head. This is cycle motion. First motion is rectilinear motion. The motion which moves on a straight path like the car is moving on a straight road is called rectilinear motion. Second is periodic motion. Like the seesaw swing is moving at a regular interval of time is called periodic motion. Third is oscillating motion. The swing is moving in to and fro motion. It is called oscillating motion. Fourth is circulating motion. The merry-go-round is moving on a circular path at a fixed position is called circulating motion. Thank you, sir, for listening.
I'm the student of class 8th and this is our project based on the purification of water. In this project, we will show you how can we purify the water by using raw material collected from the nature. Here you can see the cups are arranged in the sequence on the structure and each cup containing the different raw material like charcoal, cotton, etc. In this project, you can also see the process of sedimentation and decantation. We choose this project because in the modern world, the water bodies get contaminated and the potable water is very less. So this project is going to be a game changer to convert the contaminated water into potable water. And here is the working of our project. And here is our pure water. Rainwater harvesting process of collecting rainwater. Filtration technique is made up of several herbicides like water increase for water. In Rajasthan, the water level is decreasing day by day. So this project is related to the process to the more quality
The PNR has given a project of water harvesting system, and the government has given the PNR, which is the highest for Rajasthan.
Myself, Sunita, I am the student of class 6 and I have prepared this model on the topic of greenhouse farming. Greenhouse farming is a type of farming practiced by the farmers in extreme conditions. It is an agricultural technique that uses enclosed structures made up of
glass or plastic which protects them from harsh conditions. It also protects the plants from pests, disease and many other harsh elements such as rain, cold and high temperatures. This farming is for promoting the growth of plant in a faster way. The main plants grown by this farming are orchids, carnations, lilies, cucumbers, tomatoes, etc.
From class 7 today, I am here to present a science exhibition on the topic of how to grow a plant. This is a farmer house. The farmer do very hard work on agriculture for grow vegetables and fruits for our he brings his home a iron pole for his work. The pole is connected with the polymer of the battery. The battery connected to the wire and the electricity passes in the earth and the bulb.
Present my model on electricity.
What happened?
I want to tell my model how a circuit works. I created a circuit to make the fan move. Always electrons flow from high potential to low one. When I switch on this button, the fan starts moving.
We made a small representation of windmill. Windmill produces energy which is essential for our daily life. In this windmill, we converts kinetic energy into mechanical energy. Later on, mechanical energy we convert into electrical energy and we use it for our daily household use. Thanks for spending.
वैन दिस फैन मतलब जब हम इस फैन को ऑन करेंगे तो जैसे ये हमने धुआं बनाया, ये धुआं इसको लेगा और ये जो कार्बन रोड से ये उसको धुएं के जो हमारे जो अनबर्न पार्टिकल्स होते हैं, ख़राब गैसेस वगैरह, उसको ये ले लेगा और प्योर एयर यहाँ से आएगा। फिर इसका यूज़ होता है, कार्बन रोड का ये यूज़ होता है कि ये जो हमारी जो हार्मफुल गैसेस होती है ना उनको ये खींच लेता है और इसमें इसके ऊपर वो लेयर बन जाती है, एब्जॉर्ब कर लेता है यहाँ पे।
Myself Lux and here is my sensor. Today I am going to represent my working model of carbon purification of factories and industries, which show we can reduce air pollution and of factories and chimneys using a simple purification method. My aim of the model is to show that the dirty smoke particles are reduced by air pollution factories, they are settled down.
I am Sanvi from 7th class. On this platform of science and innovation, I have brought forward an idea that would change the way we think, presenting wastewater treatment working model, which is a step-by-step method of water purification. The system uses stones for screening, pebbles for filtration, coal for adsorption, sand for final filtration and cotton for final polishing, removing plastic, leaves, colors, odors, chemicals and fine particles.
Wow, which part absorb chemicals?
The coal.
There is no.
The coal.
Coal absorb only the gases.
No, so it absorbs chemicals and colors too.
Okay.
It is also useful for future as
Who will remove the microbes? Yes, sir.
so please
Microbes.
the sand.
Good morning, sir. My name is Duran from 7th class. My project name is Rotating Values. This shows that how day and night occur. My model represents three main parts: the sun, the earth, and the rotation of the earth. The sun in my model do not move like a real sun. The earth, when the earth rotates, the side facing the sun gets sunlight, and the other part do not get sunlight.
हमारी प्रिंसिपल स्टाफ एंड सभी बच्चे, आज का जो हमने विजिट की साइंस एग्जीबिशन, तो काफ़ी सराहनीय है। बच्चों का जो कॉन्फिडेंस था या जो मॉडल बनाए गए हैं और उसका जो प्रेजेंटेशन है,
लेते हैं और फिर जो प्योर एयर 50% प्योर एयर तब हवा के साथ कुछ इम्प्योरिटीज आ जाती हैं और इसलिए इसको फिल्टर करने के लिए हमारे पास फिल्टर आ जाएगा, फिर फिल्टर हो जाएगा जहाँ पे आप क्लीनिंग के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं इसको, वाटरिंग प्लांट्स के लिए कर सकते हो और ड्रिंकिंग के लिए भी, और यहाँ पे आप बाथरूम के लिए और वॉश के लिए कर सकते हैं।
एग्जीबिशन के बाद हम सभी ने फ़ोटोग्राफ्स लिए हमारे वॉलंटियर्स के साथ बहुत ही प्यारे तरीके से। एंड ऑलमोस्ट थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑल वॉलंटियर्स जिन्होंने इतनी हेल्प की इस एग्जीबिशन को सक्सेसफुल बनाने के लिए। इसी के साथ अगर जब आपको ये चैनल अच्छा लगता है तो प्लीज़ लाइक करें, शेयर करें एंड सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।